The future of industry begins with innovation. The future of materials begins with technology. And the future of manufacturing begins with reliable equipment, driven by engineering excellence and guided by a commitment to quality. Shandong Mosen Machinery has been dedicated to delivering advanced pressure vessel solutions for customers around the world. From composite autoclaves to vacuum pressure impregnation systems, from supercritical foaming technology to customized pressure vessel solutions, we help manufacturers improve performance, enhance efficiency, and unlock new possibilities. This June, we invite you to join us at FINE 2026 and Carbontech 2026, the leading international exhibition for carbon materials and advanced manufacturing technologies. Let's connect, let's innovate, let's shape the future together. We look forward to meeting you in Shanghai. Shandong Mosen Machinery, reliable pressure vessel solutions for a better future.